What's up, folks? We are back with another video. I hope you brought your automotive thinking cap because this time we are going over 3 technical diagrams that you're going to absolutely love. We'll take a look at a fault tree analysis, a BPMN diagram, and last but not least, a value stream map. We've created all 3 of these in Draw.io to show how they empower every automotive expert, from safety and industrial engineers all the way to quality managers. All right, the first diagram we'll tackle is the fault tree analysis, or we can also call it the FTA. An FTA is used to identify risks and ensure reliability in safety critical automotive solutions. At the top of this tree, we have our top level event. This is usually a major hazard or a violation of a safety goal. Below we have our causes. For each cause, we'll identify further subcauses, and we'll continue to do that until we reach our basic events. Then we use logical gates to connect causes and subcauses, showing how multiple failures combined can be the cause of our undesired event that we have at the top of our tree. Our next one is the business process model and notation diagram, also known as the BPMN diagram. BPMN diagrams allow operations experts to map out the logic required for regulatory audits. This ensures that the handoffs between engineering, supply chain, and logistics are seamless. This BPM diagram from an oil service and diagnostics workflow uses swim lanes to separate customer actions from technician tasks and gateways to handle service authorization. This helps ensure that if-then scenarios like choosing between standard oil or synthetic oil are handled consistently. Our last diagram, but certainly not least, is our value stream map. Value stream mapping is a tool used to visualize the flow of materials all the way from the supplier to the customer. Industrial and manufacturing engineers rely heavily on this diagram to keep massive assembly plants running efficiently. Specifically rooted in the Toyota production system, these lean principles have evolved into a global standard way beyond the automotive industry, including business, software development, and healthcare. This framework maximizes efficiency by identifying and reducing the 3 M's. MUTA, activities that consume resources without adding value. MURI, stress on personnel or equipment caused by over-demanding requirements. And MURA, inconsistencies or irregularities in the production process. And those are the 3 technical diagrams that totally rock the world of automotive experts. I hope you enjoyed the video if you are an automotive expert, and if you're an aspiring expert, you need to become familiar with these diagrams. Be sure to subscribe for more diagramming tips and tricks, and until next time, happy diagramming.